Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Eduventure SG. So today we are going to do a very interesting word problem on decimals. So let's read the question first. A delivery company earned $3.50 for every vase delivered safely. For every vase damaged during the delivery, the company had to pay $7.50. Mr. Tan ordered 140 vases, but he only paid the delivery company $413 as some vases were damaged during the delivery. So the part A of the question is how much did the delivery company lose because of the damaged vases, and part B is how many vases were damaged. Okay, so for what we have here is that a delivery company earned $3.50 for every vase that is delivered safely, and if the vase is damaged, the company has to pay 750 to the customer. Right now, Mr. Dan ordered 140 vases, but he only paid the company $413. Okay, so looks like some of the vases were damaged during the delivery, so obviously he didn't pay the full delivery charges which he should have paid, right? So we have to find out how much the loss the delivery company lost, right, and how much vases were damaged. Okay, so now let's assume that all the vases were delivered without any damage or were delivered safely, because then only the delivery company will get the full delivery amount, right? If none of the vases is damaged, right, then the company will get the full delivery amount, right? So if let's say if all of the so let's assume that, okay, so let's assume all the vases were delivered safely. Okay, so if they are all delivered safely, so what do you think, what is the total amount the company would have got? So the delivery cost would have been, okay, so the delivery cost would have been how much? It would have been, obviously, for one safe delivery, it is $3.50. So for 140 vases it will be 140 times 350, right? So that will give us $490. Okay, so the company should have gotten this much, $490, but Mr. Tan only paid 419, right? So what's the loss the company has to take? So the loss, right, was how much? It was 490 minus 413. That will give us $77, right? So there is a loss of $77 the company has to bear because of the damaged vases, right? So that answers our part A, right? Because the question was how much did the delivery company lose because of the damaged vases. So the company should have got 490, right, if all the vases were delivered safely, right? But it got only 413. So how much was the loss? 490 minus 413, right? So that answers our part A. Now let's move on to part B. So in this one we have to find how many vases were damaged, right? So before we can find out how many vases were actually damaged, we have to find out what is the loss due to the damage of one vase. Okay, how much the company loses because of the damage of one vase. Okay, so we can write it loss due to one vase. Okay, so loss due to one vase, it will be how much? Okay, a lot of my students immediately say, oh, it will be $7.50. Okay, they will say $7.50. I will ask why. They will say it's because this is what the company has to pay if the vase is damaged. But do you really think it's only $7.50? No, it's not only $7.50. We have to add $3.50 as well to it. Why? Because this is the amount the company could have received if the vase was not damaged, right? This amount the company, this is the amount the company has lost, which it could have got, which it could have received, right? Which it could have received if the vase was not damaged. So the loss is not only what the company is paying, right? It's not only what the company has to pay if the vase is damaged, that is $7.50. The loss includes the amount which the company could have received if the vase was not damaged. Okay, so the total loss for one vase will be 750 plus another 350. That will give us $11. Okay, that will give us $11. That means the loss due to one damage, actually I should have written loss due to one damaged vase, right? Not all the ways, right? It's only the damaged one, right? So the loss due to one damaged vase is $11. Now we know the total loss. The total loss was $77, and the loss due to one damaged vase is $11. So from this we can easily find the number of damaged vase, right? So the number of damaged, it will be how much? So the number of damaged vases will be the total loss divided by the loss due to one vase. So that will give us, so 77 divided by 11 will give us 7. So basically 11 vases were damaged. Okay, so that answers our part B. Okay, so let's write our final answer quickly. So part A is the company lost $77 due to the damaged vases, and part B is there were 7 damaged vases. Okay, so 7 vases. Okay, now that's the answer. Hope you like the solution. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.